For sale, 1970 Shelby GT-500. $21,000 actual miles. One repaint. Original color was grabber blue. All original sheet metal, all original fiberglass, original wheels. Runs and drives. The rarest thing on this car, it's factory air conditioning or dealer installed air conditioning with the 4-speed, which is really rare. Interior is all original, never been redone. One little flaw in the door panel there. Seats are in great shape. Sometimes the horn works. Rim blow. It's not all cracked up. Headliner's falling apart. Got the factory roll bar. Original dash pad. This one put some silicone or something there in the crack. AM FM stereo from the factory. Runs and drives good. 350 traction lock. Posi. It's got the Super Cobra Jet 428 snake valve covers. It's really rare. Ford 427 Sidewinder aluminum intake manifold. Carburetor is a 70 Boss 302 carburetor. Original radiator. Still has one original headlight. You can see the Fomoco logo right in the center there. Stock towers are perfect. You know, the wraparounds at the bottom. No holes. No rust on the fender aprons. Oh, it's also got the tilt-away steering, which was an option on 69 and 70 Shelbys. All original glass. Windshield's in great shape. Got that car light logo there. Probably can't see it from the outside. Fold down back seat with the original carpet. No added speaker holes anywhere. You can still see the grabber blue and a bunch of spots. Fires right up. Tack works. Radio works. Go ahead, start it up. Here's the Elite Marty report. Car was sold in Southern California, Russ Davis Ford, Covina, California. Always stayed in California. This is a one of a two of a kind car, Shelby. It has dealer installed air conditioning, so the air conditioning is not on the Marty. If it was, I'm sure it would be a one of one. Yeah, $5,360, brand new. I have another video with the short test drive that's on my channel, and also I've got probably 200 pictures. I can email you if you're interested. Give me a call or an email, 714-757-8437, or rpmron@gmail.com. Thank you very much.